How Bitcoin underperformed in 2019 by rising 85%. Next on your 4-Minute Crypto Show. Today's show is from a post by Martin Young at Bitcoinist and brought to you by eToro. 2019 was only really positive for a handful of digital assets, namely Bitcoin. Now, while it ended up 85% for the year, it was the worst positive year on record, which could be a sign that things are slowing. Now, it may sound strange that an asset that made 85% in a year underperformed, but that's exactly what happened to Bitcoin in 2019. Now, at the beginning of the year, Bitcoin was priced near its market bottom at around $3,700. But by year end, it was holding just over $7,000, marking an increase of around 85%. As impressive as this sounds, it has been the worst positive performing year in Bitcoin history. Crypto analyst RPTR45 has tabulated the historical prices of Bitcoin, revealing that 2019's performance was only slightly worse than 2015's performance. The top year on record so far has been 2013, with a monumental 3,448% gain, followed by 2011 and 2017, with both having four-figure increases in gain. The worst performing years with losses were 2014 and 2018 during a heavy bear markets. The research then took a look at the total and daily transaction volumes, revealing that 2019 fell below both 2017 and 2018 levels at 768 billion and 2.1 billion respectively. Inflation for last year shows $5.02 billion of Bitcoin block rewards mined, compared to $5.25 billion in 2018 and $2.8 billion in 2017. Now, there should be some alleviation this year and the next following the May halving. The correlation between Bitcoin price and transaction count continued to decline in 2019. However, theoretical cost basis versus price graphically was generated upward sloping for the year, which is typically a good sign of support and subsequent price increase, according to the analysts. Now, looking at January performance doesn't paint a pretty picture, as it has been a negative month for the past 5 years. January has been the worst month of the year for Bitcoin over the past 5 years, with an average performance of negative 14.8%. Now, this included a negative 11.2% move in January of 2016, which was 6 months in front of the last halving. He added that 2015 and 2019, well, they were years with pre-halving gains, but 2020 may not see a new top, as that is more likely to occur in 2021 if historical rhymes. Now, other analysts will disagree, though, with huge predictions pre-halving for this year. Bitcoin is riding as a digital roller coaster, but long-term gains look virtually guaranteed, unless someone turns off the internet. Now, will Bitcoin perform better in 2020? Let me know your thoughts in the comments as always. And don't forget to subscribe at 4minutecrypto.com/subscribe for a new episode of this show every weekday, every day, Monday through Friday. Now, let me tell you about my sponsor, eToro. eToro is one of the largest trading platforms in the world with over $1 trillion in trading volume. U.S. customers can trade the most popular cryptocurrency assets with transparent fees. And if you're not ready to trade yet, well, you can practice building your portfolio with eToro's virtual trading feature. Best of all, you can connect with 12 million other eToro traders around the world to discuss trading, charts, well, all things crypto. Create an account today at eToro.com. That's ETORO.com. I'm Gary Leland, the Crypto Podcaster, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Crypto Show. This has been a CryptoPodcaster.com production.